Have you ever wondered what makes Linux one of the world's most powerful and widely used operating systems? Today, we will explore the core components that make Linux tick. So, let's dive in. Linux, at its heart, combines several components working together seamlessly. These components include the Linux kernel, the shell, the file system, and many more. Let's start with the Linux kernel, the core of the Linux operating system. The kernel is responsible for interacting with the hardware of your computer. It's like the brain of the system, making everything else possible. Next up is the shell. Think of the shell as your way of communicating with the kernel. It's a program that takes your commands and gives them to the kernel to execute. Then we have the Linux file system. This is how Linux organizes and stores your files. It's like a big organized cabinet with everything in its place. Understanding these components is the first step in truly mastering Linux. Each component is vital in making Linux the robust and versatile operating system it is. So that's a brief overview of Linux's core components. There's much more to explore and learn, but we hope this gives you a good starting point. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.